Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, we got a bit of a problem on our hands. The question I have for you is, have you ever come across a situation where you're trying to set up a new password, but the option to add a verification code seems to be missing? Well, fear not, because we've got the solution for you. In the solution to this dilemma, what you need to do is create your password first. Once that's done, go ahead and save it. Then, when you go back in to edit it, you should see the option to add a verification code. It's pretty similar to how things work in the existing settings app in Ventura Sonoma. And hey, if you need a visual guide, check out the screenshot at the top of that Mashable article I mentioned earlier. Now, in the macOS settings app, particularly in Sonoma and Ventura, setting up a verification code gives you a few options. You can paste in a setup key, choose a QR code image, or just control-click on the QR code. It's all about making the process as convenient as possible. And on your iPhone or iPad, you can simply scan the QR code with the built-in camera. Easy peasy. So, to wrap things up, we've covered the problem of missing verification code options in password setup and provided you with a simple yet effective solution. Remember, it's all about creating your password first and then going back to add the verification code. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring new tech tips and tricks.